Be careful. Sus, lini oy. Mura man jud korek. Daddy! Oh my God, Celine, Jesus Christ. She's wearing Ate Paris's jumpsuit. Ay, ano ba yan siya? Romper. Naglabas ako ng damit, dalawa. One for Ate Paris and one for her. And yung pinili niya suotin is kay Ate Paris. At ganyan, tinalian ko yung likuran. We are getting our coffee, guys. So it's Sunday morning. A bit cool in Brisbane today. Sa hapon, napakainit. So, this is good for a change. Okay. Good morning.
What's Daddy doing?
Ah! Have a look at that. It looks so different. Yeah.
He tries to wait to go downstairs. Yeah. For a shift, but if you don't, he shifts generally on his mat or near his mat. Yeah.
I'm out.
Oh, wait.
Yo. Hey. That's my order.
Good morning, guys.
I'm pool too.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
This way.
This way. We went to have coffee. Daddy and Ate Paris just crossing the road now.
This way.
And now we are heading home kasi aalis tayo. Pupunta tayo ng pet shop kasi kailangan namin ng toilet ni Louie. Paris was a bit upset this morning nung umalis kami, guys, kasi she wants Louie to come with us. But unfortunately, yun na nga, hindi pa siya pwedeng makaalis. And sabi ni Daddy Mike kay Ate Paris na Louie is a part of our family, but our life doesn't revolve on Louie. Obviously, these are the things that we do normally, and since hindi pa siya makakaalis, we can just like stay indoors kasi nandun siya, diba? And we're not away for a long time naman, and we know he's safe there, so he's okay. Pet barn. Oh, nice doggy. Punta kami ng pet barn, guys. Bibili tayo ng toilet ni Louie. Anak, move. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Doggy house.
Doggy house? What's in the doggy house? What are you getting?
Here, there's
Okay, alright, we'll go. Hello, Daddy. Daming laruan. That's funny. Sabi ni Paris, it smells like Louie in here. Yeah, because it's a dog place, that's why. Wow, so many toys for Louie.
Wait, are we getting toys from Louie?
No, we're not.
Huh?
Daddy's getting the toilet. Or maybe Daddy's getting it.
I only got like a bone.
Huh?
I want to get him to freaking a jar.
What's that you're holding, Lynn? What's that?
That's not a dog.
It's outfit.
It's out for
That's for
dog.
girls, honey.
There's another one, Nancy.
What's that for?
A rocking dog.
A rocking dog?
What? Look, it has chains on it.
Rock and roll?
Rock and roll dogs. Is that true?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back to
Nakalabas na kami ng pet barn, guys. Si Daddy Mike wala dito. Pumunta siya ng Bunnings kasi yung bibilhin talaga namin doon is yung lalagyan ng toilet pads. Anong tawag doon? For Louie. Ngayon, sabi niya na you better go to Mama vlogging. Look, say hi, tita, dito.
What are you doing, Mom?
What are you doing? I'm vlogging. Look. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
She's very honest kasi sabi niya kung gusto niyong bilhin yun, wag na dito, doon na lang sa Bunnings. Kasi, kung dito kayo bibili, it's double the price. Meron daw sa Bunnings. So, Daddy just went there quickly. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga pinabili ni Daddy Mike dito. Ayan. So, we'll show you, one by one. What's that?
A tree stuff? A tree bag?
Yeah, dog toy.
Mommy, what a bucket?
Chicken scented chew. Ayan.
What tree is this one?
What's that one? Ah, for fleas. Simparica Trio. But I don't think Daddy bought that one lang. I think the free nila yan. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that. Anyways, got this waist bag dispenser with refills. Ayan, pag nakapupo si Louie, pasok dyan.
Snacks?
Yeah, dental treats.
And I've got dental treats?
Yep, we did this one. Stain and odor eliminator. Kasi, alam nyo na ang amoy, guys. Yeah, you know it. You're smelly and you know it. What's that one? Yeah, I think yan yung kanilang puppy bag. Kasi tinanong nila kami, how old is the puppy?
We got this. We got this little book. I'm gonna show what it is.
Puppy guide. What's this one? Puppy. This is cool. Yeah. Okay, ano po? And then, treats. And
Oh, that's the last one.
more treats.
What's this?
There's nothing. That's for the bag. That's for that neck. See? So, ayan. Yan lang ang mga binili. Tapos, Daddy Mike's getting the toilet.
We got something else. We got this little sign.
At sa mga tao, guys, sa mga viewers natin dyan na nagsasabi na mga maluho kayo, yung binili nyo ng mga ganyan. Kasi every time na bumibili kami or something for ourselves, or we do something for ourselves, sinasabi ng iba na instead of gawin nyo yan, gagastos kayo, or instead of bilhin nyo yan, gagastos kayo, you should just save it up para sa deposit ng bahay nyo kasi wala pa kayong bahay. And thank you for the care. I appreciate that. But may mga tao talaga na sobrang judgmental, guys, na sinasabi nila, wow, why did you buy that? Mga materialistic kayo, ganito, ganyan. Instead of pang deposit nyo ng bahay. Like, I'll be honest with you guys. Meron kaming pang deposito ng bahay. Kasi we are not stupid. Kami dalawa ni Daddy Mike na gagastos kami ng mga bagay-bagay na ganito kung wala kaming pang deposit ng bahay. Obviously, we do have it. It's in the bank. And I shouldn't explain, right? I shouldn't explain myself. But sometimes, like, I just feel like I need to kasi medyo dumadami-dami na yung mga tao na sabi na ganito, ganyan. Dapat yung binili nyo ng ganyan ay ginamit na lang pang ng bahay. Minsan naiintindihan ko rin, guys, na yung mga tao, especially wala sila sa Australia nakatira, hindi nila alam how things works. And dito sa Australia, guys, kahit na meron kang pang deposito ng bahay, you still have to go through the loan, mortgage, or yung tatawag nilang loan. And in our part, kasi nga, diba, kahit na may pang deposito kami, kailangan pa rin namin mag-apply. And yun na nga na-explain ko sa mga previous videos natin before na kaya nga gusto kong bumalik ng trabaho para may maipakitang payslips, kasi yun yung kailangan para mag-apply ng mortgage, diba? But it doesn't mean na wala kaming pang-deposito ng bahay and that we're being stupid na gagastos ng mga bagay-bagay na ganito na wala pa kayong bahay. And also, one thing, like, we only live once. We have to live our life. Like, dahil ba kasi walang bahay na, we are not allowed to be happy. Like, we are not allowed to do stuff that gives us joy and gives us happiness. Diba? So, yung sa buhay, guys, is, lang, parang timbang-timbang lang. You know, like, you just have to be smart when it comes to, like, money. Ang masasabi ko lang, guys, ay, let's just look after our own backyards. And parang stop na yung panghuhusga and stop na yung kabitiran sa buhay kasi you know that doesn't make you happy. Like, you know, if when you say something negative or bad about other people, that doesn't make you good, or that doesn't make you, you know, like better. That doesn't make you a better person. So if you have anything negative to say, just keep it to yourself maybe. And if you don't really like watching our vlogs, that's sad for me because, you know, I would love you to be part of the family, but I'm at that point in my life na, you know, if you are causing me stress or making us sad and you're not supporting us and the family, then, you know, go ahead. And hindi ako manghihinayang hindi ako manghihinayang sa isang viewer kung wala din namang masasabi kundi mga kanigahan. Kasi sobrang dami ng kanigahan dito sa mundo, guys. Huwag niyo nang dagdagan. Let's just be happy for everyone. And as always, guys, appreciate ko kayong lahat. Minsan lang yung mga tao ay sumosobra na just because hindi tayo magkakilala in person and very easy lang sa inyo yung mag-type ng mga ganun, ng yan, alam niyo yun, yung mga masasakit na salita. And you gotta think that we're also humans, guys. Like, hindi lang kayo yung tao, tao din kami dito. Sa likod ng kamerang ito, tao din kami, guys. So, even though many times sinasabi ko, hindi ko na pinapakinggan yan, hindi na, parang binabaliwala ko na yan. But still, as mentioned, we're humans, meron kaming feelings. So, minsan, parang, even though tinatry ko na ayaw kong bigyan ng pansin, but may nagpapapansin, may nagpapapansin talaga, guys. Lenny, hey, what do you think you're doing? Hey, come on! Nandito kami sa TK Maxx. Si Daddy Mike nasa Woolworths. Bibili sana kami ng invitation card para sa birthday natin Paris, guys. Kasi ito siya. Ewan ko, yung iba na wala niya ata. So, make sure na makakatanggap yung hindi nakatanggap ng invitation. Hey, come on! Pero mukha man silang walang invitation card dito, guys. Ito yung nakita ko. Happy birthday na paper napkins. Cute, no? Hey, come on! Girls, come on. Paris, we gotta go because we have to find invitation cards for you. Come on, my love. Yeah. Maybe we'll get this one na lang. Oh, kasi meron na siyang napkins. Lunch napkins, 24 plates. $12.99. Hi. We don't want to break that, Lini. Ito daw?
It is
What is it?
picnic.
Picnic basket.
Picnic basket.
Okay, you hold this one now. Just grab that one. And we'll just go to the $2 shop for the invitation card. Look, they don't have it here. Kakauwi lang namin, guys.
I've really mailed that shop up. That's a lot for $100.
Huh?
That's a lot for $100. Seriously, that's heaps.
Daddy did the tawag dito, the grocery shopping. Dinala ko na yung mga kids sa sasakyan. I have a look. He's very proud. Why are you proud, Daddy?
What do you mean? Because it's like, this is like $600 worth of groceries in quantity, and it's like saving money, you know what I mean?
Saving money daw.
And it's all good food. It's like no crap.
It's a good job, Daddy. Tingnan nyo, dami niyang napamili. Ang ating baby girl ay sleeping. Itong binili ni Daddy Marcos. Pet waste scooper. May sariling dustpan para sa pupo, guys. Ayan, diba? Kasi at the moment, kinakamay ni Daddy Mike. Hindi pa ako nag-release ng pupo, guys. Kaninang umaga, pagkagising namin, labas namin ng kwarto. Paglabas ko ng kwarto first, kasi pumunta ako ng toilet. May pupo si Louie dyan. Sabi ko kay Daddy, ginising si Daddy Mike. Sabi ko, Daddy, may pupo si Louie. Bumangon siya. Siya yung naglinis. Meron tayong meat dito. So, hindi ko na isa-isahin, guys. Kasi sobrang dami nung napamili ni Daddy Mike. So, si Daddy Mike kasi very wise yan siya pagdating sa mga grocery shopping. So, sabi niya, siya yung mamimili. He's very proud, guys. Kasi, lahat-lahat daw, itong mga pamilya niya na ang dami daw, sabi niya, total of $300. So, apparently, mga nakasale daw yung mga, mostly mga nakasale yung binili niya. Kasi, yeah, he's good at that. Yun ang sabi niya.
Come and look at Daddy's hole.
Louie! Come, do you wanna say hi? Come.
Come up.
Come up. Come up.
Come on, you've been a good boy today.
Good boy. Say, I've been a good boy. Hi. Hi, oh. Welcome back to our channel.
Beautiful boy. Look at his face. Bring it closer.
Look. Wow.
Let's put the cover in first.
Ang sarap ng dito. Oh my guys. Kasi nagpa-diffuser ako. Ayan. Tapos, hindi ako makapaniwala itong binili ko ng mga fragrant oil. Ito yung ginamit ko, fresh linen. It's only $1.95. And hindi ako na-expect ng malaki. Kasi sabi ko, $2. Uy, ano ba expect mo dyan? But, surprisingly, it's good. I'll be getting more. Oh, and also, this one. My goodness. Alam niyo ba, yung pinakita ko na perfume na binili ni Daddy Mike for me? Diba, sobrang happy ko nun. And, ito yung kanyang takip. Mamahalin. Kanina, sus, Lord, kung nakita sa akin ni Celine, wala nang laman.
This is what I was trying to tell you not to get the popcorn. 10 packets for $2.
Yeah.
70. Naman yung mag-get it. Bloody like, yeah, come on.
In-spray ni Baby Celine lahat ng laman ng perfume mo, guys. Wala nang perfume. Binili ni Daddy Mike, naubos na. In-spray ni Celine dito sa floor. Kaya pala sobrang...
She still got it in there.
Huh?
She actually still got it in there.
So what?
That was the one.
Anak, why do you love tissue so much, Baba?
I think. Very nice.
Oh, yes. Bumili ako ng candle. Smells so good. Sa TJ Maxx to siya, guys. Baka naman, oy. Sana may mag-sponsor sa atin na, scented candle. I would really love that. This is something that I really love, guys. Scented candle.
Ate, Mommy, actually.
Yeah. Invitation for Advice's birthday. We have to do that now for tomorrow.
I was putting a soft drink box and top on.
I know I used to be crazy. Oh, look at that. What do you want me to do?
Do stock.
Hello?
Double do stock. Yeah. Okay.
Gagawa si Daddy Mark na slow cook. Guys, before na siya pupunta ng gym. Tulungan natin siya. Use this off? I think like last time, Bob, we put too much barley. That's why
Mama, where's scissors?
Scissors. Scissors.
Scissors.
We have some potatoes and carrot. No? Shut the door, could you? Is it like this? Or smaller than that?
Just slowly. Spread it around.
Ang ating baby Celine, guys, alam niyo ba? Still sleeping. So, nung nakauwi kami kanina, she was sleeping in the car. Tapos, binit-bit ko siya dito sa taas. Tulog pa rin siya. She was throwing tantrums kanina sa shop. Very sleepy na kasi.
I am cooking. Sorry, guys. I am cooking a slow cook lamb shanks in a beef stock and red wine broth with just some winter vegetables like potato, or good slow cooking vegetables like potato.
This? Like this?
Yeah, just spread it around. Potato, carrots, onions. I make sure I have red wine in there, garlic, butter, and yeah, just my lamb shanks now.
It's gonna be on for how long, Daddy?
I've let it on there for 7 hours. Doesn't need to eat it tonight. I just need to.
Is this like steam? What's this? See?
It's cooking. Yeah. Okay. These are just the lamb shanks. These are like really good ones from the butcher. And just brown them off first. Get them in there. Beautiful.
8 hours, yeah? So we'll be ready tomorrow.
Pizza?
Pizza!
One other one on a pizza.
What are we having for dinner, Lini?
An egg.
Egg?
Get it.
Careful, it's hot. Is it hot, Daddy?
Ramen.
Oh, yummy! Luis also having his dinner now. Slow down, Palangkoy. Slow down with your meat, please. You have to bite it little by little. Okay? Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Bite. Bite.
Come.
Good girl. Yeah, don't put the whole thing. It's on your nose.
Is that?
Yes. Wow, yummy, Ling Ling.